Ever wonder why we get hiccups? Imagine your diaphragm, a big muscle under your lungs, as a trampoline. It moves up and down to help you breathe. Sometimes this trampoline gets a little jumpy. Hiccups happen when the diaphragm suddenly contracts or pulls down in a jerky way. This makes you suck air into your throat quickly. When that air hits your voice box, your vocal cords snap shut, making the hic sound. A hiccup is like a surprise party for your diaphragm. This can happen if you eat too fast, drink fizzy drinks, or even get excited. Your body usually figures it out and stops the jumps on its own. So next time you hiccup, just remember it's your diaphragm having a mini party.